today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I have absolutely groundbreaking, mind-blowing news for Bitcoin today. I am going to talk about the immediate price action, what I am expecting for Bitcoin, about my own 1.2 million US trade. What is happening with it? Am I going to close it? Am I going to get wrecked or not? But more importantly, what price targets can we expect for the right now in the immediate short term? Dear ladies and gentlemen, let's jump straight into the content. And if you appreciate these videos, no matter where I am, no matter when I am, please like this video down below, like, comment, subscribe. And after the last video where I actually had a very crazy hair day, I actually got to comb myself here so I can be ready and look beautiful for you, because the last time was like something like that. Anyways, let's jump straight into the charts. Thank you so much for all your likes, for your support, for your subscriptions. I truly appreciate you. You are the reason why I'm waking up every single day with a smile on my face. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. And yes, guys, you do remember we talked about this ascending broadening wedge, which right now broke to the downside. And the question is, why is this happening? Why is Bitcoin here breaking towards the downside? Well, looking at the news landscape right now, we can see that the Mt. Gox released and Rex Bitcoin are going to be returned, I think, by tomorrow. But what we can see already, and I think this was one of the reasons, like it's always a function of different reasons, of the sell-off for Bitcoin. And you can see that Mt. Gox creditor, the biggest one, is at least promising not to sell his Bitcoin when he is getting returned his Bitcoin, right? But it's just a promise. Nevertheless, the matter of fact is that we are going to see a big unlock very, very soon here, or like a big return of Bitcoin, which were lost 2013 in Mt. Gox. Now the question is, what is the price target of this crazy breakdown? Or is it one crazy breakdown? I mean, at least yesterday I was asking the question over on Twitter, and I hope you are following me over there. Bitcoin slowly breaking, question mark? Well, at the moment, chart-wise, it looks like it. Would I jump into a short position right now? The answer is no. Because in the end of the day, we always know that if this is the beginning of a bull market, usually bullish targets usually get hit, and these bearish breakouts to the downside are fake outs to sucker in people's money, to sucker in short positions, which are then gonna get liquidated. I'm not saying this is gonna happen if you open a short position. I'm just telling you, be careful here. I saw time and time again throughout the last few cycles, if you short in the beginning of a bull run, this can get very, very dangerous. So what I am looking at right now is for Bitcoin not to flip on the daily ribbon, but more importantly, as you remember, the higher the time frame, the more relevant it gets, not to break the weekly ribbon. The weekly ribbon shall not be broken. You remember, every single time we are holding it, Bitcoin actually continues in its run. Right? And right now you can see we are in it, and Bitcoin did not break below yet. Actually, what I am waiting for in the next few weeks is finally a flip of the ribbon from bearish to bullish, something we see every 4 years once. I do not expect Bitcoin to break lower to, like, I don't know what people are expecting, 15,000 US dollars. Yes, I think it is very necessary for Bitcoin to have this last shakeout, to shake out some weak hands, to get all the non-believers, the last ones, getting shaken out before we are going towards the upside. So I'm not saying we will not see a few $100 lower here. No, for sure, this is possible. But I want to tell you, if this, and let me quickly go back here to the face mode, actually, the beginning of the bull run, then you don't want to be standing on the sidelines. This is for sure. This is why I am keeping my trade here open. As you can see, let me quickly go back here. This trade is still open, and I am going to keep it open, and I will scale it higher. Not yet, because we are basically just breaking support. It's not the time to enter any long position as well, but I am standing on the sidelines waiting for this to happen. As far as it goes, guys, don't get too crazy. Don't start panicking just because the price is breaking a little bit lower. We want to stand on the sidelines with level-headed heads and a cold head, and make sure that we are not getting suckered into this panic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. And as always, guys, bye.